What's up, y'all? We're actually going to the what is this, mega sale? Extreme sale, Manheim, Lancaster, PA. So we'll try to show you guys what that's all about. Whew. It's like a huge car show, but everything's for sale. Not very interesting, but it's pretty cool. Oof. You got that wastegate out the hood. Marco's shit right here. Oof. This is a Bentley or Rolls Royce? Man, this thing's cool. Oof. Check this thing out. Oh, right here, 550 horsepower, 406 cubic inch. Ford Model A with a Chevy motor. The Le Mans though, it's sick. Lambo. Another Lambo. GTR. This thing's really cool. Yeah, the color's sick.
Look how wide the back fenders are.
Oh, there's the GTO.
Oh, there's all the imports. Oh, there's the 180.
We gotta check out these imports, because what the hell? This thing's sick. I wonder if it's boosted.
Look at the Toyota Century right there.
That's awesome.
It's good.
This thing's cool.
You gonna buy this one?
I don't know about this one.
Why, if it goes cheap?
If it goes cheap, yeah, but it's pretty damn clean. Look at that rebar. That shit's clean as hell. Like, you remember mine? Mine's all rusted out. This thing is clean. Oh, and it's got the Brembos. It's weird that it's got Brembos with no turbo. What the hell is this? London taxis? This is pretty sick. It's all-wheel drive.
Needs more wheels though.
V8 all-wheel drive.
I think those taillights are custom, yeah?
Maybe. Well, they're not factory, but somebody bought them or something.
Probably shit, dude.
Oof. Didn't even see this thing.
36,000 miles.
How much do you think this is gonna go for? $1 million?
All the money.
I wish it was just regular body though.
This is an imp.
What is this thing? Front wheel drive though? Imagine towing something in a right-hand drive diesel truck.
Imagine this one, maybe.
Sell the Silverado and just get this thing.
Yeah, 2 miles to get on.
Man, all these right-hand drives. Oh, what?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's interesting. It's pretty cool.
Right-hand drive.
Oh, shit. Isn't that the Toyota you're talking about? This is a little tow rig.
Little tow rig?
Little tow rig. Yeah, these are some sweet wheels.
Sick. Look at the front, like lips and stuff.
Yeah, this thing's cool.
See the emissions coming?
A little bit. Oh, damn, this thing is so clean. Definitely done like top dollar. That's a nice, what is that, Hellcat or something? Bumblebee? Yeah, it does. Yeah, why the hell did they do that?
Ooh, that's a second gen.
Cummins? Oh, all those cars over there are freaking sweet too. God damn, there's too much shit over here, dude.
This is just the front side of the building, like.
Well, dude, I'm not gonna be able to go through all this.
400 more acres over there. Oh.
Cummins turbo diesel. This is about to go expensive. 126,000 miles.
Yeah.
And it's clean as hell.
Oh, it's the supercharged.
RS. There's another. Oh no, that's the same thing.
It's the supercharged.
Oh, Callaway. Carrera. pretty cool. Ooh, that Impala SS is clean, dude.
Yeah.
God damn. How many miles on it?
25,000.
25,000. This thing. This is awesome.
This is sick. What is that?
This thing's badass. Dude, I would drive this all day, every day.
I'll drive that Urus right there.
I'd rather drive that.
Yeah,
So many cool cars. It's ridiculous.
I think we just walked like 2% of the auction.
I know. We were literally started right over there. This thing's hot. I love these old trucks. This thing's sick. Yeah. Dude, like this is like my favorite Ferrari ever.
Yeah, same here.
It's so hard.
20,000 miles.
Good old manual.
With all the wheels.
Yeah, those are sweet.
Yeah,
This thing's pretty cool.
Like, looking for. Why is the window open? It's raining inside.
Oh, I don't know. Oopsies.
I'd be pissed.
That thing's cool. This thing's lifted it pretty damn high. It's pretty sweet. That thing's hot. Yeah, it's a Chevy. It's rebadged. Just an SL? Oh, it's not an.
It's not suitable.
Oh, well, it's not anything fancy at all. Hot. Somebody give me some money so I can buy this thing. And that one.
Which one?
The red one and that red one. This thing's pretty cool, but it's also junk.
I don't think there's anything special about it.
Yeah, that Wagoneer is sick though. Hell's up with this? Why is the G-Wagon got a gas can on the back?
I know.
Oh, weird.
Special one, my friend.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Like it's a pickup truck.
Oh, that's right. Huh.
These gets removed.
That's cool.
5.
Yeah, you're gonna see them here a lot.
Yeah,
So
it's interesting.
It's only for safari and stuff like that.
That's really cool. This thing's badass.
Yeah,
I'd rather drive this than that G-Wagon.
You can pull it like a house down with that.
Yeah, but you probably just, you could probably pull yourself up to the house. It looks like Marco's, but better. I bet it starts too, maybe. Oof. This thing's hot.
You gonna get shit?
Dude, it's 96% across the market already.
Hold on, let me get a video of this and then I'll get a video of that. Oof.
Yeah, it's open. Check
Smells like 2-pack.
That's interesting. Look at that Dewey, that's sick.
But it's a short cab.
I know, that's why it's sick. Short cab.
It looks so goofy.
I know it does, but that's why it's cool.
Yeah.
Did you see the battery inside?
Ooh.
What the hell?
Hilux?
Is that a Ford Ranger?
It's a Toyota.
I see a little truck. Yeah.
This thing is badass. Chevy 350 in there. Bunch of junk Mercedeses. Ain't nobody interested in these buckets. God damn, it's so big. Can you imagine driving this down the street? Run somebody over. What is this, Fairlane?
It's a Thunderbird.
Oh yeah, Thunderbird, that's right. Yeah, that's also a Thunderbird. Why is this one so much bigger than that one?
Oh,
What?
I like that. I like the little...
Nice Camaro. Pretty sick. Cannonball, Whipple.
I could, if I put the ghost skin on.
Unfortunately, we're not going to be buying any of the cool cars. We're going to be more looking at the really low credit rating cars, or the condition report ratings. Look at this. Look at this. That's going 28,000? Yeah. Jeez.
54.5, 54.5, yes. 5. Primary, 54.5. It's a lot of car, 54.5. Yes. He wants to sell it. 106.5. 106.5. Yes. Super Sport panel, every available option. 300 of these made for the USA. Not around, you can't get on special order frozen gray, was 45.
Good evening. We are ready to roll. Thank you all for a wonderful day. I think we've seen once again, even though it's once a year, top of the market happened again today, and we were glad that everybody here was a part of it, and we thank you for being here. What an awesome event it was. A lot of support, a lot of fun, a lot of faces we haven't seen in a while, so we're thankful that you were here with us. We got a fun evening planned. We're going to sell a couple cars. I know Rich and Doug have a couple unique pieces we're going to sell here in the lane. Then we're going to raise a little bit of money for our regional Make-A-Wish chapter, and we're excited about that. We always do a phenomenal job. You always do a phenomenal job with that. We got a handful of items we're going to sell for them. Got our work cut out for us to outpace last year's performance, but I'm confident we can do well and get really close to it.
All right, good evening, everybody. Thanks for being out here today. Appreciate it on behalf of all the auctioneers. We appreciate you all coming out and attending and participating. So we got a really, really, really cool 1965 Corvette Stingray. Resto mod, really done right, Rich says. Listing details, chassis, got the serial number, right? Okay. And it's a brand new frame, right? 7,326 miles shown, which is not actual mileage, obviously. LS3 powered 6.2 liter V8, Tremec TKO 600 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, C4 suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, cross-drilled rotors, aluminum radiator, Budnick custom aluminum wheels, vintage air AC, 2-year restoration project. Every nut and bolt is brand new. Documented restoration of every stage with photo album, manuals and paperwork documenting the build, not actual mileage title. Hard top included in the sale. Will drop off at the auction. No hold up on the title. Okay? You said it could even be here tomorrow, possibly, right? Okay. If we sell it. All right. Well, that guys, there you go. It's the right one. And resto mods are what they want right now. How much on it? You get $225,000. $225,000. $225,000. $250,000. $250,000. Have to get $200,000. Have to get $200,000. Have to get $175,000. $150,000. Somebody start it out. We'll go up. $150,000. Have to get $150,000. Have to get $150,000. $125,000. $100,000 and up. Let's go. Have to get $100,000. Have to get $100,000. Have to get $100,000. $100,000. Have to get $100,000. I don't know if anybody knows what we have here.
I know.
$100,000. Have to get $100,000. Have to get $100,000. Have to get $100,000. 75, 80. Have to get $80,000. $80,000. 75, $80,000. Have to get $80,000. 75, 80. $75,000. $80,000. 75, $80,000. Is anybody interested in that price?
Let's go, guys.
Because we don't have a price. 85, 80,000, 85, 80,000, 85. Internet's been the buyers today. 80,000, 85,000, 80,000, 85, 85, 85, 90. Have to give $90,000. Figure it out. $90,000, 90,000, 95, 95, 95, 100. Have to give $100. Have to give $100,000. Have to give $100. 95 now 100. Yes or no? Have to give $100. 95, 100. Anybody else? 95, 100,000. Have to give $100. Have to give $100 going once. $100,000 going twice. Third and final call. Anybody else want to bid? Yes or no? 100. We're not even close, are we, Rich? Not even close. I appreciate your offer. What, over 150 somewhere. Yeah, you bet, Rich. Always a pleasure, bud. Okay. With that, I'm going to turn it over to Nevin, who's probably going to make me look bad.